What's up everyone, it's Ibrahim. Cryptocurrency has totally blown up, and for good reason. It's one of the most exciting and potentially lucrative investment opportunities in the digital age. But with so much information out there, it can be overwhelming to know where to even begin. So if you're looking to make some serious cash with crypto, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm breaking down 7 proven strategies that can help you generate passive income and potentially build long-term wealth. Let's jump right in. Alright, first up we have trading, the bread and butter of the crypto world. Think of it like day trading or swing trading stocks, but with Bitcoin, Ethereum, and all those other cryptos you keep hearing about. The name of the game here is to buy low and sell high, profiting from the constant price swings in the market. Now, trading can be risky, but with the right knowledge and strategies, it can be incredibly rewarding. If you're not into the fast-paced world of trading, no worries. HODLing might be for you. This is all about playing the long game. You buy a cryptocurrency you believe in, lock it away in a secure wallet, and basically forget about it for a few years. The idea is that as the crypto market grows over time, so will the value of your holdings. Now let's talk about putting your crypto to work and generating some passive income. Staking is like becoming a mini bank for crypto. You lock up your coins to support a blockchain network, and in return, you earn rewards in the form of more coins. It's like earning interest on your crypto savings account. And then we have yield farming, which is like taking staking to the next level. Chapter 4. Mining, digging for digital gold. This one's for all the techies out there. Mining is basically the backbone of how many cryptocurrencies work. It involves using powerful computers to solve complex mathematical problems. And in return for your computing power, you get rewarded with, you guessed it, more crypto. It's like digital gold mining, but instead of pickaxes and shovels, you've got computer rigs and graphics cards. Chapter 5. Airdrops and bounties, free crypto. Yes, you heard that right. Who doesn't love free stuff? Airdrops and bounty programs are like the crypto world's way of giving back. New crypto projects often give away free tokens to early adopters to spread awareness and build a community. It's a way to get in on the ground floor of a potential future crypto giant, and the best part is, it often costs you nothing but a little bit of your time. Chapter 6. Content creation. Become the crypto guru. If you're passionate about crypto and love sharing your knowledge with others, content creation could be your golden ticket. Start a blog, launch a YouTube channel, or become a crypto influencer on social media. Share your insights, analysis, and maybe even some trading tips. As you build a loyal following, you can monetize your content through ads, sponsorships, and even selling your own courses or consulting services. Chapter 7. NFTs, riding the digital art wave. Okay, NFTs or non-fungible tokens have taken the world by storm. Think of them as digital collectibles, each one unique and irreplaceable. You can buy, sell, and even trade NFTs, and some of them have sold for absolutely ridiculous amounts of money. If you're creative, you can even create your own NFTs and sell them on marketplaces like OpenSea or Rarible. Crypto profits. Await, time to take action. So, there you have it. 7 proven ways to make money in the exciting world of cryptocurrency. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting out, there's an opportunity for everyone. Just remember, the crypto market can be volatile, so it's crucial to do your research, invest responsibly, and never put in more money than you can afford to lose. But with the right knowledge and a bit of hustle, you can set yourself up for potential success in this rapidly growing space. Happy investing, and I'll catch you in the next video.